Namaskar. Most people think that dull skin is a surface issue. It is not. Your face is a reflection of what is happening inside your body. Your circulation, your breathing, your digestion, even your thoughts. All of this reflects on your face. Today, I am going to speak to you about how you can bring natural, healthy glow every morning on your face through three simple yogic practices. Along with this, I will also share a few simple techniques and daily habits. So let's come to the three yogic practices first. We begin with Simha Mudra. Sit down and take a deep breath in, then open your mouth wide. Stretch your tongue out fully. Open your eyes wide and exhale forcefully like a lion. Repeat this 5 to 7 times. Now, many people feel hesitant doing this practice because it doesn't look so good. But understand this clearly. Natural practices often look simple, even a little strange, but their effects are deep. When you perform Simha Mudra, you immediately increase blood circulation to your face. Your facial nerves get activated. The stiffness stored in your jaws, throat, and around your eyes begins to release. Most people carry tension on their face without realizing it. This one practice removes that tightness. Within a few rounds, you feel warmth in your cheeks, lightness in your eyes, and liveliness in your expressions. Now let's move to the second practice, Kapalbhati Kriya. One thing you must be clear about is that Kapalbhati is a Kriya, that is cleansing process, although it's often misunderstood as a pranayama. Here at the Yoga Institute, we follow the authentic method. So let's see how. Sit or stand firmly and take a few normal breaths and relax. Inhale and exhale sharply, forcefully, and quickly using the muscles of the throat. Avoid flaring your nostrils and ensure there is a minimum movement on your body. Ensure your breaths are sharp, short, and forceful. Do 10 to 15 cycles to complete one round. Practice daily with 3 to 5 rounds per session, with pause in between rounds. Let's understand what Kapalbhati really means. Kapal is the entire face, especially the forehead or the frontal lobe, and bhati means shining. So it's a practice that can bring glow to your face, and it can be safely practiced by all. When you do it, you will experience that your nasal passages and the upper respiratory tract feel cleaner. Your frontal air sinuses are also purified. This will bring lightness in your forehead and face. In our yogic texts like Gheran Samhita and Hatyog Pradipika, Kapalbhati is described as a cleansing kriya, a way to purify the nadi and remove excess kapha from the system. Now we come to the third practice, Yogendra Sarvangasana. Here lie supine on the mat, both feet together and hand touching the body. Besides, keep the mind calm, body relaxed, and take in a full breath. First, inhale fully. Exhaling, raise both feet together, little high, enough to make a right angle with the body. Keep the knees straight and the body above the hip joint on the ground. At this stage, exhaling, slowly hold the waist. Push the body up as far as possible. Put all the body weight on the arms and rest on the elbows with legs upwards. When this position is secured by careful adjustment, shift your hands slowly towards the waist with your fingers towards the back and thumb pressed lightly towards the navel. Set the chin to the jugular notch. Put your weight on shoulders. Complete all these above steps while exhaling. Hold this posture as per the comfort, but not longer than 2 minutes while breathing normally. Come back to the starting position. Here, slowly bend the knee towards your head and gently lower the hips, supported by your hand. And then, while inhaling, go back to the starting position. Let the back and legs slide down on the mat. Rest for some time and take few deep breaths. Practice only one for not more than 2 minutes. This posture is very powerful because it reverses the effect of gravity. Blood flows towards your face and brain. This improves nourishment to your facial region. Regular practice of Yogendra Sarvangasana also supports your thyroid gland, which plays an important role in maintaining skin health and metabolism. Instead of external treatment, something simple as improving circulation naturally give the lasting and visible glow. Let me make this very practical to you. When you wake up in the morning, drink a glass of warm water. Then sit quietly and begin with Kapalbhati Kriya. After that, practice Simha Mudra. Then lie down and perform Yogendra Sarvangasana and end with that few moments of quiet breathing. This entire routine takes about 10 minutes, but its effect stays throughout the day. Now, along with these 3 practices, let me share a few lesser known techniques that enhance your result. One is this jawline resistance press. Place your fist under your chin. Now open your mouth while gently resisting. Hold for a few seconds and then repeat it. This strengthens the muscles under your chin, improves definition. Most people ignore this area completely. Another simple technique is under eye tapping. Using your ring finger, gently tap around your under eye area for 30 seconds. This improves lymphatic drainage and reduces puffiness. Also include a gentle lymphatic sweep. Using light strokes, move your fingers from center of your face outwards. Nose to ears, chin to jawline, forehead to temples. This removes stagnation and improves skin clarity. Throughout the day, keep your face relaxed. Even your tongue plays a role. Let your tongue rest naturally on the upper palate instead of pressing or tightening. This small habit reduces unnecessary tension on your face. Now let us also look at your daily habits. If your sleep is disturbed, it shows on your face immediately. Your body repairs itself during sleep. Without proper rest, your skin does not recover. If your dinner is heavy or too late, your body spends the night digesting instead of repairing. The result is visible on your face next morning. Now, hydration is equally important. When your body lacks water, your skin loses its softness and freshness. Here, I will share some simple remedy. Take a little fresh curd and a pinch of turmeric. Apply it gently on your face once or twice a week. Curd contains natural lactic acid, which cleanses the skin, and turmeric supports skin health. Also, start your day with 4-5 soaked almonds. They provide healthy fat and vitamin E, which nourishes your skin from within. In today's urban routine, long screen hour, irregular routine, and stress, and shallow breathing slows down your internal system. Blood circulation becomes less efficient. Oxygen supply reduces. From an Ayurvedic perspective, rasa dhatu, the primary nourishment of the body, becomes weak. When rasa is not flowing well, your skin loses its glow. Also, when lymphatic drainage slows down, toxins begin to accumulate. This leads to puffiness, dryness, and uneven texture. So, The question is not what you apply on your face. The question is, how do you improve what is happening inside your body? Understand one thing very clearly. Your glow is not something to create artificially. It is something that appears when your system is balanced. In yoga, we do not chase beauty, we create balance. And when the balance comes, beauty appears on its own. So, every morning, give yourself these few minutes of yoga sadhana. Your face will not just glow, your entire presence will change. Namaskar.